Can I talk to those ones who still believe, those grounded, in tune people? Just those that may be peeping this video, they only just see green, vegetation. I'm not gonna spot it until you spot it first. Moving very slow. Did you see it? We got some lavender up here, huh? Yeah, that way. Tell me, do you see it? I'm coming back. Nature's candy. And if you listen, it's a rodent inside of here. But I'm only here to show you guys they can't stop what's already natural. Y'all think y'all may see a bunch of apple trees. It's just one big one. All the way to the tippity top. Make it, they said Johnny Appleseed, huh? Eric Thomas say, the same apples that's at the top of the tree, son, gonna be at the bottom of the tree, son. Just remember, they're still apples. Let's pick one. Huh? You could tell they've been eating them. A worm, they're in there eating them. This is nature's candy. I'm pretty sure you can find something that's at the tippity top that's a bit more better, riper. If you was listening in close, I told you you would have seen a rodent. Not even a rodent, because one of nature's. But this is just something beautiful. Just a random apple tree amongst other vegetation. You see power lines in the back. We're not too far off from society. Just a random apple tree. Stay woke. Stay alive. I love you, Reflection.